Keep up the good work, man.
I'm working. I just explained to the States Attorney why I'm up here. I'm not videotaping you. See that? My tape is on me. I ain't videotaping you. This ain't between me and you. This is between me and Ivan Bates. All right? So I just gave him a breakdown of everything that I was doing and why I'm here. So we're going to see if I can get this information. We're going to start from over here. I'm going to go outside and do this first. Like I said, I'm in the States Attorney's office, but this is a public building. You got a government facility inside a public building which denies us access. That's a violation of Public Accommodations Act. So to make sure that everybody can see what I'm doing, ex-felons got a right to vote. If you vote for Hogan, you're voting for Trump. That's Judge Cox, and that's a movie release. I was making a documentary about Baltimore. That's Judge Karen. That's Delegate Smith. That's Peter Francott. That's Mayor Pugh. That's Brian Frosch, 2016. Putting this shit on the glass so the world can see it. Like I said, I'm a member of Out for Justice. That's Fox45. Y'all filed those false charges on me last week. There go Governor Larry Hogan. There go President Trump. Yeah, it's all like I said right here. So President Biden, I need a full investigation. Expand the ballot, expand the vote. Ex-felons got a right to vote. This is the good kind of trouble. You feel me? This is the good kind of trouble. Ain't no law against protesting. And they got my property. So before you start your day, I want what belongs to me. Ivan Bates get a lot of money from Fox45. That's who put him in office. So we talking about racism in the judicial system, all right? Respectfully submitted, Dwayne G. Davis, whistleblower. That's Natasha from the Public Defender's Office. That's the Public Defender's Office. We talking about mass incarceration. It's the whistleblower, the movie, and Ivan Bates is the star. Activism ain't terrorism. I'm the founding member of the Baltimore block. That's Governor Hogan, and he got this information too. The Supreme Court of the United States. If you sit in that seat, you got to represent us. I'm a black Republican, a black radical Republican. And we're going to talk about the Secret Service. That's President Obama. You got a story called Shorty, and my number ain't changed. That's Marilyn Mosby. She going to be my main witness. Marilyn Mosby going to be my witness. And that's the Department of Justice, Robert Hardin, 2018. Amendments of the Constitution of the United States. That's Judge Badar and Chief Justice Roberts Chief Thurgood Marshall. That's Judge Badar, 2023. And that's me. I'm a veteran. Everybody's welcome to eat at my table. That's the Baltimore Sun. That's Justin Burke, Christian Schaefer. That's Judge Papaya, Judge Souter, Judge Turnbull, and that's the Maryland School of Law. That's Paul Ballard. That's Chief Johnson. That's Criminal Investigation, IRS. That's James Calabrese from the State Prosecutor's Office. And that's States Attorney Schellenberger. Like I said, whistleblower, the movie. Certificate of identity. See the date? That's David Trone, he got this too. That's Jared Jimenez. Ex-felons got a right to vote. That's Jared Jimenez. We talking about the 1964 Public Accommodations Act. That's Chief Judge Mary Barbera. That's the Department of Justice. All right? And right here, Mr. Davis, in regards to your documentary, I would not be able to appear. The documentary is about the Democratic Party and the money you make off black bodies. That's Governor Westmore. That's Luke Clippinger. And it's Constitution Day. That's Mayor Brandon Scott. And that's Governor Larry Hogan. You're talking about the money behind the machine. Right here. Constitutional rights violations. And the state's attorney got that information. Governor O'Malley, Mr. Snowden, grand jury request. That's me at the Supreme Court. And that's the dissent decree. All right, that's the dissent decree. That's Special Agent Richard McFeely from the FBI. All right. We don't want no misunderstandings about nothing. That's the Scott Shellenberger toilet and the Democrats. That's the Black Arts District, and this is Black Art. Mayor Brandon Scott got this. And Marilyn Mosby got this. It's Monopoly, the Cheaters Edition. The right to access the courts. You feel me? That's Marilyn Mosby. So I'm waiting for Hassan Giordano